And we had a couple of questions rolling in regarding stock splits.
That's a good one. I've actually been wanting to talk about this one. So what probably started these questions is Apple and Tesla just decided to split their stock. So there's a big misconception that when you split your stock, the stock's going to go up a ton. So a lot of people are rushing in to buy those stocks, and that's not an inherent truth. So when a stock splits, let's say you own one share of Tesla stock. Let's say they're doing a 1-to-4 split, okay? So your one share of Tesla stock that's worth $1,000 now, once they do the stock split, it will just be worth $250 a piece, and you'll have 4 of them. So if the overall value of your stock is exactly the same, that actually does not change. Now, when stocks split, a lot of the time is because their pricing is too high for some individual investors to get into. So when Elon Musk comes out and says that he's got, he says a really cryptic message that says that his stock price is too high and the stock price falls. And then a few months later, we find out he was talking about the stock split. He wasn't saying that the stock value is too high. He was saying that the price is too high. So most people aren't able to get in at $1,500, $1,600 a share. Or, if they're putting money aside every month, they don't have that much money set aside. But they certainly could get in at maybe $400 or $500 a share. So when stocks split, sometimes people rush in because they can now get a really great stock that's in an upward movement at a lower price, so they can get involved in some of those shares rather than having to try to figure out a way to trade options. They just want to get in. So that's a great option for them. So they just did that in Apple, and they just did it on the Tesla stock as well. Both of those, since they're in the tech sector right now, and they've got fairly good fundamentals. Apple's fundamentals are fantastic, and Tesla's are okay. They're not making a ton of money, but they've always been a very innovative company. I think they're going to continue to go up. So as soon as they announced the split, their stock's been on a tear. They have a ton of money pouring into those into both of those stocks. They're driving the price up, and so sometimes people can think when there's a stock split, inherently the price is going to go up or their shares are going to be worth more. It's really worth the same amount of money. It's just a different slice of the pie.